We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can download and install the DJI Fly app on both iOS and Android devices. So let's begin with an iOS, because the process is simpler. You just gotta launch the App Store here. Make sure that you have working and stable internet connection. Of course, since there are some issues with mine today, so I always get those non-working internet errors. So make sure that your internet connection is working. Let me cycle through all my Wi-Fi networks first. See if I'll get any luck. Yep, finally. So in the App Store, look for DJI Fly app. Here it is, and then get it installed like that. That's very simple, very easy, as you would download any other app on your iPhone. On an Android devices, the procedure is a tiny bit more complicated, since the DJI Fly app is not present at the Google Play Store. So you'll need to open the Google search, then input the DJI Fly query. Among the search results, look for the official DJI website, DJI.com. Go at this web page, then here tap at the Download Android APK option. Then accept the download here and wait for the file to be downloaded, since as you can see, it might take you a while, especially if your Wi-Fi connection is as bad and as horrendous as mine. Anyway, once the app is downloaded, the file is fully downloaded, open it. Once it will be staged, it is going to ask for you to grant whatever web browser you downloaded from with install unknown apps access, so do that, then install the app itself. And now just launch it once it is installed. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.